guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Canva on your Android phone. So go ahead and open up your Play Store, guys, and you want to use a search at the bottom there to type in Canva. So I'm going to type in Canva, search for Canva, and here you have Canva. So you can simply install it on your phone. And just keep in mind that you can use Canva for free. However, if you want to have Canva Premium, it's going to give you a ton of different features that you can actually use. So it is done. You can actually open it from here, or you can find it on your phone. So you want to swipe up and find Canva on your phone. So let me find it here. Where is it? Canva, here it is. I have it here, and I can always go ahead and, let's say, add it to my home screen. So I can click and I can hold, drag down, and it's gonna find me a space somewhere that I can add it to. I can even have it right there, and I can open up Canva. Once you open the app for the first time, you will need to sign in with your credentials, your email address, and so forth. So I'm going to continue with my Gmail. You can use Facebook, or you can continue another way. I'm going to choose Gmail here, or Google, and I'm going to choose an account, and basically it's going to sign me right into Canva. And there it is. I have Canva here, guys, and that's all there is to it. If you want to learn more about how to use Canva on your phone, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll create a ton of other videos showing you how to use Canva on your mobile phone.